Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In today's session, we are going to start Unit 4 Entrepreneurial Skills, and that is the Part A syllabus. What is entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneur? And how to become a good or successful entrepreneur we will discuss in this chapter. Entrepreneurship is generally a business that is employed by someone. It means it's a own business. Entrepreneurship is the type of self-employment where any one person is running a business to satisfy the need of society and looking for ways to make the business better to make the profits. The ultimate purpose of entrepreneur is to satisfy the need of customer, and second one, the other purpose is looking the profit day by day increasing, looking the better business in a market. Entrepreneur are all around us. All businessmen are called entrepreneur who are running their own business. We would have spoken to a lot of them through the course of this module. So what are the successful entrepreneur qualities? First one is they should be confident. They are confident, they believe in themselves and their abilities. It means whatsoever they are doing, they are correct at each situation. They keep trying new ideas for their new business. They are patent. They are creative and think differently about business ideas. Every time they are thinking about new ideas to extend their business. They take responsibility for their actions. They take decision after thinking about them. Day by day routine, they are working hard for their business. And they don't give up when they face any difficulty. They will try to sort out the matter by different ideas or suggestions. So section 1 is related to entrepreneurship and society. We learned last year that two ways in which one can earn a living are through wage employment and self-employment. Wage employment is what? People are who work for a person, for an organization and get paid for that work. It means employees of a particular organization are called wage employed. And self-employed people are those persons who start their business to satisfy the need of society or community. A self-employed person who is always trying to make his business better and better and always taking risk and trying to generate new ideas is known as a entrepreneur. For example, Ramya and Ramu both own plant shops. Ramu sits at his shop every day. When customers come, he sells the product to them. Ramya walks around and gets customer to her shop. And she also sells seeds and flowers with her plants. Ramya is working do more and grow up her business. She has also added a different idea to her business. So Ramya is an entrepreneur and Ramu is a businessman. It means entrepreneur is that person who is differently thinking, generating new business ideas and extending their business on daily routine basis. Now this is the activity part that this can be done in classroom only. Like think about any four entrepreneur, draw the circle and write their name in a particular list and what business they are running and one really like thing that you like from that business. It is the activity part. Next part is after writing, share the detail with your share the detail of entrepreneur within your classroom. You can also identify entrepreneur about you. Where do these entrepreneurs their business. Entrepreneurs run their business in a market. And the market has people who buy the product and services and the people who sell them also. When people are selling and buying the product for each other, it is helpful for everyone because everyone involved make money. How it is possible? How it is growing in a society you're living. Like Aditi has a store where she sells different type of shampoos. She has many customers. She buys the shampoo in large quantity from a woman. There are two men who work in the store to help her sell. So Aditi is helping the people in her area to make money. She is also increasing jobs in her area. And Aditi is helping the people in the society around her to live better. So, what do entrepreneurs do when they run their business? Now, what are the requirement of entrepreneur? What they can do? These are the points that will be mentioned. First one is fulfill customer needs. Need means demand. Demand means a product or service that people wants. Entrepreneurs find out what people wants, then they use the creativity to come up with a business idea and that will meet their demand. Second, use local material. Entrepreneurs use the market, material and people that are available around them and make product at low cost. Help society. Entrepreneurs have a positive relationship with society. They make profit through activities that benefit society. Some entrepreneurs work towards saving the environment. Some give money to build school and hospitals and many more. Create jobs with what is create jobs? With the growth of a business, entrepreneurs look for more people to help them. They buy more material and from more people. So they also hire more people day by day in a running business. So they are generating job for a society. Sharing of wealth. Wealth means having enough money to live a comfortable life. As an entrepreneur, grow their business, the people working for them and in related businesses also grows. Lower price of product. As more entrepreneurs sell the same product, the price of product goes down. For example, when more mobile phones were getting sold in India, the cost of phone become lesser. Let's learn about the role of entrepreneur in a society by reading that story that is related to Bharti. Bharti is a jewelry queen. Bharti is a young woman from Bihar. Many girls in her area like to wear earning. She buys jute from a farmer and make earning from that. Her business is called Manavi Natural Handicraft. She sees that most women in her village do not work. So she hired two women to help her. As her orders increase, she buys more jute. She hires three more women to work with her. The farmer and the women working for her now earn money more. They are able to save money for their future. Do you think Bharti is an entrepreneur? Read her story and tick the correct answer. This is your activity part and you have to find out the answer. Is it entrepreneur or not? What demand did Bharti identify in her village? You have to answer out of three choices. So I'll send the exercise part in which you can cover it. Next is session 2. Session 2 is related to the qualities and functions of an entrepreneur. In the previous session we have studied entrepreneurs helping growth of world around them. Now what are the qualities of entrepreneur? The first quality of entrepreneur we will discuss through a tabular form. Like you must believe in yourself. It means you should be confident and take business decisions. That is most required. And you have a creative idea solution. It means I had great I had a creative and different solution to the problem. That's why I am successful. So we have read about the quality of entrepreneur. Let's find out what entrepreneurial quality should have. More qualities are there. Don't make a mistake. Decision taking should be there. It means it is the responsibility to take decision for a business. It will work to make it better. Thinking power. Why they are taking decision? I take decision after thinking about whether they are good or bad for my business. And fourth thing, never give up. Every time think about I'll stay in the market. Every time be positive because everything will be fine. Now it is the activity part again. You have to find out it is the quality of entrepreneur or not. It is the exercise part. We will discuss in exercise part now afterward. Now next part that is required for study, that is your entrepreneur functions. Entrepreneur has five major functions. First one is making decision. That is the major function of entrepreneur, to make the decision for a business. An entrepreneur make decision every day, and it includes what to produce or sell and how much and where to sell. Second, managing the business. An entrepreneur plans the future for her business or his business. He or she arrange for raw material, hire people for work, and tell everyone what to do if the plan is being followed. And divide income. The entrepreneur divide the business money to the many groups. Like she spend money to buy product, pay rents of their buildings and salaries to the people. Divide income. The entrepreneur divide the business money to many group. He or she spend money to buy material, pay rent of building and salaries to the people. Taking risk. Risk factor is the major factor in a business. Risk is the chance of something going wrong. An entrepreneur take risk against fires, lost item and theft, and create new method or ideas for their business. It also trying to think about new things. These are the functions of entrepreneurs. Next is myths about entrepreneurship. We know that entrepreneurs are all around us, but even now, how many of us want to be the entrepreneur ourselves? We connect entrepreneurship with some thoughts and opinions. Some people think being an entrepreneur is easy, but some think it is very difficult. A myth or misconception is a false belief or opinion about something. For example, if you think tall people run faster than short people, we have a misconception. It is not true. The truth is that short people can run fast. In the same way, here are some misconceptions we might have about their entrepreneurship. We also read about actual truth. In this part, we have covered till entrepreneurship, functions, quality, and in next session we will cover about the next part, and the next part is your entrepreneurship as a career option. Thank you. Have a nice day.